Good morning! So, yesterday ako dumating from Manila. Bali, Manila to Vancouver, Vancouver to Calgary. So, hindi pa ayos. Syempre, ang tulog ko. Mamaya na ulit ako matutulog. Kasi, putol-putol eh. Syempre, jet lag, diba? So, mamaya, bahala na kung... Kasi ngayon, kukuha lang kami ng gamot ko. And also, mag-grocery muna kami. Grocery agad. Kasi syempre, nung si husband lang, eh, hindi naman siya masyadong nagluluto. So, ngayon, andito na ako. Andito na ang cook. Andito na ang wife. So, see you later. Nga pala, from Philippine weather to Calgary weather. Ang lamig. Siyempre, hindi ka na nasanay, no? Kanina, ano lang naman, feels like -1. Pero sobrang lamig ko. Tapos dahil 2 months akong nawala, parang feeling ko, ang dami ko nakalimutan. Alam nyo bang nakalimutan kung saan nakatago yung kutsara tinidor namin kagabi. Tapos, ginawa ko, nakalimutan ko may heater kami. Pinaalala lang ni husband. Ano pa nga ba? Basta ganun, parang 2 buwan pa lang yun ah. Ganun ako misa pag nagbabakasyon, naninibago ako pag bumalik. Ayun. So, okay na. Mamaya ulit. Yan, kararating lang ng bahay. Ito na mga na lang kami, order na lang kami sa restaurant. Mamayang gabi na ako magluluto kasi nga parang pagod na pagod pa ako. So, ito yung aming nagbumili lang kami ng salted fish fried rice. Tapos yung pork and shrimp dumplings and the fried shrimp dumpling. Bili ako ng shine muscat na grapes. This is $20. Sale pa yan. Tapos, kasi gusto ko lang ito matikman. Tapos, meron kaming red pomelo. 2 for $5. Sana matamis. Navel oranges. Tapos, yan. Bumili akong kinchay. Kasi yung kinchay ay per ganito, per bunch, $2 plus lang. Tapos, may frozen shrimp for sinigang, may pork buto-buto, chicken wings. Tapos meron din akong yung chicken na bones para sa sotanghon, and then I have saba. Ayun, meron pa ako nabili ulit na calamansi cubes. Ay, ito dala ko to, yung suman from Philippines. So, kakain muna kami, 12:30 na. Kain tayo. So, nandito na nga ako sa bahay namin sa Calgary. Jet lag baka mo. Tingnan nyo. Ayan o. So, parang tamad na tamad ka kumilos, diba? Ang gulo-gulo pa ng aming bahay. Maayos yan bago ako dumating. Yan. Pa yung mga damit na nasa that I have to put back in the drawer or in the closet. So, let's start with, okay, saan ba tayo magsimula? Ay, ito nga pala, before, siguro last year, my husband sold our winter tires because we thought we're going back to BC, but unfortunately, we're still here in Calgary. So, he bought another set of second-hand winter tires. So, this is the all-season tires na ikikip niya. He will keep in the other room. Okay, so, we got another set of winter tires because it's almost winter once again. Okay, these nuts are from the sister of my husband. Thank you, Lucy and family. Cornic and adobong mani. Very good. Very delicious. Bagong-bago. Ito naman is from my box or from my baggage, check-in baggage. Thank you, Mama Amor. Ang sarap nito, grabe. So delicious. She bought this from TikTok. Ito yung brand. I saw this also in Terminal 1 na iya. Pero this one is jumbo. The one in Naiya is small. I forgot to check the price, but this is really good. This is buy one take one. I think less than 500 for 2. Ang sarap nito, bili kayo niyan. Ito naman, thank you to my BFF, Jessamine, yeah. Gourmet tuyo and gourmet bangus from Connie's Kitchen. And suman na pinabili ko sa palengke. This is from Cainta Public Market. Very good. This is suman sa Ibus. And this is suman sa Lihia. I bought this in the airport. See, suman sa Lihia. This is 350. But if you buy this outside the airport, this is very cheap. I also bought this banana flavor for my gulaman. Gulaman and sago is Filipino beverage. Palamig yata tawag. This is from Florabelle, Cornix, and Toasted Ensemada. Ito yung binili ko naman nung nasa galeria. Ito muna tayo. This is suman sa Ibus, the one that I just showed you. I am frying this. Extra flavor, extra deliciousness. But you can eat it as is, no? Yung pagbalat nyo yun na. But I want it dredged in flour or cornstarch and then fry. And then you eat this with white sugar. Okay. We have the, what's this? I think this is kamote chips, sweet potato chips, taro chips, barbecue flavor. We have not tried this, so I don't know how it tastes. The kamote chips, nakakain na ako nyan before. Banana chips, 2 banana chips, okay? Tapos, meron pa siyang sasmuan, polvoron. Sasmuan is from Pampanga. This one naman, I asked my husband to bring this home. Because he left earlier than me. I think he was here around, oh yeah, October 7. So, these are pillowcases for the sofa. Yan. And then, ito naman, akin na yata to galing lahat. Dami. Diba? May mga nakatago pa yata. Ay, hindi. Meron pa doon sa box. So, let's start with this. Okay. I bought this queso de bola in the Philippines from Holland. I'm not sure if this is allowed because dairies are not allowed in your to enter Canada. So what I did was I put this in a bag and then put a note here that says surprise, love, amor. Para kung mahuli, 'di ba? Sabihin ko hindi ko naman alam na inilagay dito. Dinamay pa yung aking sister-in-law. So this one, I always buy this from the Filipino store in small packs. So I bought this in Manila. This is of course cheaper. Buttered toast. This Nescafe Mocha. This was given by Nina. So, thank you, Nina, from Australia. I bought Magic Sarap. My husband said, don't buy anymore because there's Magic Sarap here in Canada. But the thing is, this is very light in weight. So, and cheaper also in the Philippines. So, why not buy, right? I still have a lot of space there. I bought 2 pieces of the large Salonpas, what's this? Strips, patches. And I also have mango, dried mangoine. So, this is mango and tamarind. Masarap din to. Flat tops. This is 1 kilo. My husband already had, or brought 1 kilo of this. This is his favorite. So, he asked me again to buy another 1 kilo. And, yeah, I bought this in Naiya. So, coffee scotch square with almonds. What else? Wait. Ayan, I bought 2 packs of crispy fry extra crunch. This is the Shamrock O-Top. This is a very good brand. I bought Chippy. There's no less salt Chippy here in Canada. I should have bought more, right? This is my favorite because I don't like salty chips. Okay, let's put it here. Butcheron Spicy for husband. This is fried innards, parang ganon. Pansit Bato. It's Pansit Bato is I think this originated from Bicol. This one I forgot. It's supposed to be, wait, ito ba ay dapat sa Pilipinas? Basta ito nasa bag ko na eh, chicken and corn, because we have chicken and corn here sa Seafood City. Tapos Mamacita's kare-kare mix, because this is cheaper also in Manila. I have 1 pack of turones de mani. This one, nabili sa online by my sister Cynthia. Masarap to. Sabi niya maganda daw yan, so I'm trying this also. This is kangkong chips by the Kangkong King. This is original flavor. Husband said this is really good. So, I bought 2 more of the original flavor and the sinigang flavored kangkong or the water spinach. And then, I bought this in SM. Kape Barako cookies. Sana masarap. There's this one. Wait, let's see. This is from my sister Cynthia. Thank you sa pasalubong. Yes. Power bank for Russell and iPad case for me. What else? Okay. The jeepney pang display. May bibigyan ako na taga dito. Because I have 4 of this bowls from my sister Cynthia. I took it home because this is elephant design, which I love, right? And this one, I bought some, saan ba to? Some healthy option for my hair. I was supposed to do this for my, by myself when I was in Manila, pero tinamad, so I went to the salon instead. Sa Smuan, again, Polvoron, the Uraro. Masarap to, o kaya lang di siya ganun kalutong. Okay lang. Tim Tam from Nina. Naku, dala ko pa to, oh. I bought this here in Italian Center, but I forgot to give it away. And this is my Swarovski when I was still not yet merit. 2 pieces. So I just brought it here. And this I bought in SM. 4 of this liner. Diba? Pasko na eh. Tapos, ayan pa ang aking mga gamit. Diba? Ang kalat. Ay, ito. Ito pa. Ito galing din sa sister ko kay Cynthia. Thank you also. Again, mga damit ko. What else? Ito pa, Meron akong miswa. Gusto ko kasi yung miswa dun. Sa Swan. I have Nissin Wafer Choco. Dapat kakainin ko sa Philippines, but I forgot already. So, just brought it here. Bought it in Canada. This is banana blossom, some spices, and yeah. Kasubha. This one, the kasubha is for lugaw. Banana blossom is for paksiw. Paksiw na mga pata. Lengua Thins, Lengua de Gatos from Mary Grace. Dapat masarap yan. 450 yan. Yeah, another banana chips. And 3 more of the chippies. Yun, wala nang laman yung ilalim.